Look at this hair. Many of you are always interested in longer hair, especially for men, but this could be pretty much universal. In a few videos ago, I mentioned that I think I found the perfect product and I was sampling it right here. I'm happy to announce that I did put this into production and it's going to be called Control. It's a control cream. I've been wanting something like this for a very, very long time. And if you go back and watch the video, you can see that on like the flow haircut, it actually just really gave the hair a very nice, light controlled hold. It actually made the hair look healthier and added some life to it as well. So I'm gonna demo this on this mannequin right here to show you even on a longer hair, because a lot of times people want something that just controls their hair and tames it. And then I'm going to use it on curly hair to show you how I can enhance waves. Now this is a process. It may take, a month and a half. I've been working on this for a little bit of time with the testing and stuff, and there's a lot that goes into it. So it's not available yet, but I just want to give you some updates. And then a second exciting thing is that I'm launching a new type of shampoo. So here's the two products right here. I'm launching a new type of hair cleanser. And I'm not gonna name the name of it yet because it's kind of top secret. And the unique thing about this is that it's a very clean formula. There's no suds in it. And it's going to be like a conditioning cleanser. So this is for people who don't want to use anything with suds. They want something extremely clean for their hair, an alternative way to cleanse your hair. When I tell you the smell on this, the fragrance, it's literally the most warm, vanilla, just unreal. It's like an addictive scent. It's something that you just you want to keep sniffing it nonstop. This is going to be a new way of cleansing your hair. And I'm working on this as well. They may be coming out similar times, but I want to give you a heads up on this as well. I can't demo this, but imagine using a conditioner that cleanses your hair. Zero harsh chemicals, no suds, and it's just an incredible product with really good botanicals and extracts and vitamins, and it really just makes your hair feel incredible. And a lot of you ask, how do I test it? Because, oh, you've got no hair. Well, actually, my hair does grow, and as long as I have a little bit of hair, I can feel exactly what the feeling is on the hair when it grows in, and also my beard. It's technically hair. Because I have so much experience with using products, I know within 3 seconds, 4 seconds, if it's too dry, if it's this, so I test the products on myself. I know you think it's crazy because I know I've washed literally thousands of heads as a hair professional in shampoo sinks or wherever, models, this and that. I've used dozens upon dozens of products, and I know exactly what the hair should feel like. And I can assure you, this product that I'm coming out with, this new cleanser, I've never experienced anything like it to where it makes your hair feel like you actually washed and conditioned your hair, but also cleansed it with an incredible fragrance. So I just want to give you a heads up on this. So it's like a two product special here. All right, so let's go with this control cream here. So I'm gonna just use a little bit, just like this. The hair is longer, obviously. So it comes out like a fairly creamy consistency. It has a light fruit type fragrance, almost not kiwi, but like apricot type of fragrance. I'm working it through my hands. It works through the hands really well. And it's somewhat, I don't want to say slippery, but it's got a lot of a very smooth consistency to it, which is great. So what I'm looking to do now is, like I mentioned, is just add something to the hair that is going to give it a little bit of hold, very light hold, and control. It's not a paste, it's literally a cream, but it's not a gel. So what this is designed to do, it's designed to actually bring life back into the hair because of the ingredients. So if your hair is dry, if your hair is dull, and you just want something to just kind of like work through your hair to give it a little bit of that just really, really nice shape and make your hair look healthier and give it a little bit of hold like that, but feeling like there's nothing really, you know, it's not like a heavy clay or a heavy paste. That's what's great about it. It's just a very, very light control. Then this is gonna be an amazing product. And look what that did, literally in seconds. So if you've got like that flow type of haircut to where this all kind of goes back, and if you need to use more, then you use a little bit more. But a little goes a long way because of how creamy and kind of slick it is. But if you want to have that like flow haircut, you could see even just through here, you know, it's going to give you just a little bit of light hold and light control right there. And I keep using that word control because that's exactly what I want this to do. And there it is. Like the hair just kind of stays there. And if you run your fingers through it, it's still going to feel kind of soft and nice, but it's just giving you that ultimate perfect control without it feeling like there's a lot in your hair. That's what I love, and that's what I love about, you know, experimenting with products and coming out with things that are new, is that I'm like a mad scientist. I'm always looking for something, always on the hunt to see what the hair will do and how it will perform. And I've always wanted something like this. I just never could really nail it, or I haven't had like something I really want to launch or I liked. So this is it on longer straight hair. Now, I have a different mannequin right here, which I'm going to show you. This is more of like a curly hair mannequin because this is designed for all hair types: straight, wavy, curly, kinky, frizzy, whatever. And this is a mannequin here where, you know, I wanted to show you up close even more. This may be a modern hairstyle that you have. So it's got a little bit of light texture to it. It's a little bit dry. So let's see what this control cream can do. And I'm doing this real time for this hairstyle. So once again, you don't need a whole lot. Even that might be a little too much. However, there it is right there. Let's work it into the hands. All right, it's nice and creamy. So I like to, on curly hair, wavy hair, I want to make sure that there's still a lot of product in there so that when I work it through the hair, it actually just tames it very, very nicely, and I'm able to get it through there. All right, so I can see it's working through the hair really, really nicely, very easily, and it's giving the hair exactly what I was hoping, as you could see. Nice control, nice shape in through here, and yeah, and that's it. And like, it just works through the hair so nicely. The key to this is, like I mentioned, I wanted something that is not gonna be like, you know, if you want something super strong, then you go in and you use my power cream. I mean, that's like bulletproof hold. But this is literally just designed to give the hair some shape, to bring it back to life. And that's what I really was excited about, is to make the hair look and feel healthier, right? It's not just about hold, it's about making your hair look and feel healthier. I got it more on this side because I'm working over here. I don't want to block the camera, so it's gonna look different on this side. But you could see through here how nice it just tames the wave. It tames and enhances. So, you know, this is a product, once again, that is designed to be something that is going to give you excellent results. It smells incredible. It's got really, really good ingredients, made in the United States. And, you know, it is a premium product. So, you know, when you manufacture things in the United States, it just ends up being very, very expensive. So this is going to be a premium product. This is going to be under my legacy line, not crafted. This is under my legacy line. So my legacy line is more like, you know, like Tidal Wave, Sleek, Talc, Locked, all those like salon type quality products, ones that I'm really, really passionate about. And then crafted, I'm just as passionate about, but it's a very different type of lineup between the two. So I would say these two products, again, there's like different phases of it. The design, the label design, the bottle design, the approval artwork, then the actual manufacturing, then the shipping. So it takes some time. The good thing is that since it's here, made in the United States, you know, it should be readily available as far as the shipping goes to the warehouse. It won't take that long as far as transportation. The next part is getting it up live on the site. I am doing a limited run. The manufacturer agreed we can do a limited run at first because it just gets so expensive when you have to order thousands and thousands of units. And when you have good relationships with manufacturers, because they believe in you, and because of my history as a real hair professional, you know, and a real brand, sometimes manufacturers cut you a deal and a break. So I'm very, very lucky. But I'm excited about this, and I wanted to share this with you. So stay tuned. I will keep you all posted. Again, this may not be even available for another month or so, month and a half, but I will all keep you updated when it's ready to go. I'll have the live bottles here, but I hope you enjoyed this. So again, it's the control cream and then the new conditioning cleanser, which is a whole new way, and I've been testing this myself, like I mentioned, a whole new way to cleanse your hair. Doesn't mean you have to stop using regular shampoos and conditioners, because those are great to me. I never had a problem with those, but this is just an alternative to somebody who wants to try something else, right? So thank you all so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this, and let me know if you're excited for these products. I'll see you soon.